Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download Ubuntu for Windows. So for downloading it, first you have to open any web browser. So now search here for Ubuntu download for Windows. Now go to this link, download Ubuntu desktop. So now scroll and here is an option Intel or AMD 64-bit architecture. So it is of 5.9 GB. You can click on this download button to download the Ubuntu on your computer. So as I currently doesn't need this, I am not downloading, but you can download this from here. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And if you want me to make any tutorial on any topic, you can let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.